Stepping is a form of Chicago-style dance that has been around for more than 40 years. Just ask Bruce Borum Jr.
I'm a personal trainer, teach line dancing, but I also teach stepping.
The award-winning dancer has been teaching step classes for almost 3 years to students of all ages. Classes are held at the Dalton Park District Mondays and Wednesday evenings.
Stepping is one of the fun, easy, cheapest things to do. So it's a very good dance. You get to meet a lot of different people. I actually took runner-up in the World Largest Stepper contest in 2010, and that was around more than 1,000 people there too, so that was pretty cool.
But winning awards is not the reason why Borum continues to teach his weekly step classes.
I love it. To me, it's like a diamond in the rough. Well, I get to work with a lot of beginners and just watch them grow and watch them dance. Stepping, this is my home, this is my foundation. I might do some private lessons, but more than likely, I meet everybody here.
Borum says no matter how many years go by, there will never be another dancing genre in Chicago like stepping. Reporting from Northern Light, I'm Amber Travis.